If you have ever worked with After Effects, you know that anytime you want to work with texts, that you have to copy text maybe provided to you by your clients or whoever, maybe you want to animate some text or of that, you have to actually go outside of After Effects to copy those texts and bring them back into After Effects. And you have to, so if you are working with a large number of text, you have to go back and forth between your text editor and After Effects. Let me show you what I mean. So let's assume I have this text here, a lot of text here, and I want to start animating each of these things one by one. I have to actually, let's assume I want to do our vision. I have to actually copy our vision separately, bring it into After Effects, paste it, go to the next line. I have to, you get the drill. I have to go back and forth between these two apps in order to be able to, you know, get the work done. And I thought to myself, why go through this hassle? There should be a solution, to be able to copy all this text all at once and put it in After Effects so that I won't have to be going back and forth between text editor and After Effects. And I searched the internet, and the solution I found, they were a bit pricey. And I realized these are scripts. They are not something that are hard to build. You just need to have a little bit of a coding experience and you get it done. Right. So what I decided I'm going to do is I'm going to write my own script myself. If I can't afford the ones that are there, I'm going to write them myself. So I decided let me write a script myself, and this is what I came up with. If I go to Windows in my After Effects, and the solution is called Notes AE. So this is the version number. So any feature that you feel like can be included, I will try my best to add those features to it. But for now, this is the version 1 of Notes AE by Lucam, and these are your functions. Now I don't have to copy text one by one. I can basically just select all the text at once, copy it, and just dump it in After Effects, basically. So I don't have to leave After Effects to get the text, to copy the text. I just have to, come to my Notes AE panel here and add it. So that being said, let me show you how you're going to get your own copy of Notes AE. Right. So check the link in the description, download it, and basically just install the script and you're good to go. Make sure you go to your preferences, scripts and scripting and expressions. Make sure you allow script to write files and access network. You do that in order to be able to use scripts, custom scripts in After Effects. So make sure that is checked. This particular one is checked and you're good to go. If you don't know how to install script, check this video. I'm going to show you how you're going to install the script. Once again, the link to download the script is in the description below. So if you find this video useful, please be sure to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and let me know what you think about the script. And also, if you want to support me, you can do that by leaving your fair price for the script on the link where you're going to get the script. Thank you for watching. See you next time.